Have you ever been in the middle of a job and needed to switch between installing and removing retaining rings and thought, why isn't there a tool that can do both without wasting time? Well, there is, and I've got it right here. Hey, Gareth here, welcome back to our channel. I'm here to introduce to you the quick flip retaining ring plier from Jonard Tools, part number RRP-1. These pliers are designed to make handling retaining rings easier, faster, and safer. Stick around and I'll show you why this tool needs a spot in your kit. Let's start with what makes this tool so special. As I alluded to, the RRP-1 features a unique quick flip design that allows you to instantly switch between internal and external retaining ring functions. No extra tools, no hassle. This makes it the ultimate solution for anyone working with retaining rings with a large array of sizes. Now, let's talk specs. The quick flip retaining ring pliers are made of heat-treated alloy steel, ensuring strength and durability for long-term use. They include 8 interchangeable tips, 4 straight and 4 90-degree, so you're always equipped for a wide range of retaining ring sizes and angles. Additional tips can be stored in the handles of the tool for convenience. And speaking of the handles, they feature an ergonomic, non-slip grip, making them comfortable for all-day use. Let's see the RRP-1 in action. We're going to install and remove a retaining ring step by step. First, decide if you need internal or external mode. For internal, the drawers will close as you squeeze the handles. Next, choose the right tip for your application and securely attach it to the pliers. For this demo, I'm using the straight tips for an internal application. Now, place the tips inside the retaining ring. Squeeze the pliers to close the ring and carefully position it into the hole of your part. Release the plier and the ring is securely in its place. To remove an outer ring, flip the handles back to external mode, position the tips inside the ring and squeeze to open, and slide the ring off of the cylinder. Simple, right? And that's how the quick flip retaining ring pliers make retaining ring installation and removal a breeze. With its durable build, versatile tips, and innovative quick flip design, this tool is sure to save you time and frustration on the job. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you on the next one.